What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Neeb, and today I'm going to go show you guys around our village, Bandi. There's quite a few places I want to show you guys: farm, scenery, all our land, our house, where we go pray and everything. There's quite a bit. It's day number 1 for us in Kashmir. I'm here with my boy up next, Mo. He's vlogging as well. His link's in the description. I'm going to show you guys all around our village. We live really close to the Indian-Pakistan border, the line of control. We have a bomb shelter. I'm going to show you guys that. Yeah, I'll tell you guys more about it here in a little bit. You guys can see right behind me, that's the house we live in. That's like our cousin's house. It's all on one land. I'm currently standing right on top of the bunker. Every now and then when India and Pakistan are at war, they're firing at each other. This is one of the places that does get hit by bombs and missiles. We're literally like 5-6 miles out from the border. Behind me is our shed right down here. That is where we have cows. We have about 30 of them. Down the mountain, there's a huge river running through. That's where a lot of people get water from. The water we get for our bathrooms and stuff literally comes from the mountain across from us. I'll show you guys the cows here in a little bit when we make our way down. But yeah, here's some footage of what we see every morning. All right, now we're walking down to the bunker. I've never really been in here. There's a lot of brush out here, so gotta be careful. Like, it's literally just mud on the ground. We're literally covered in cement all around. It's really small, it's nothing crazy. Right behind us, you can see the mountains. These are all Pakistan. I will show you guys where India is. But yesterday we were at the mountain across from us at the very tip top, and you can clearly see India from there. The mountain I'm currently showing is the mountain we were at. At the very tip top, like over here, that's where we were yesterday. From over there, if you look, on the other side of that peak is India. So it's literally, we can literally see India, like the Indian mountains, well, Indian occupied Kashmir mountains from this side, from where we're at. And literally on that mountain, you can see guns, like big guns just aimed at us, ready to shoot missiles and stuff. And all right, now we're walking down to the barn. You gotta watch your step here because there's a lot of cow manure. You can easily smell it as soon as you walk here. We got some like hay and stuff in this storage behind me right here. In here, these are like my dad's. My dad really likes farming plants and now animals as well. So the first thing he did is start a dairy farm. If you look behind me, that scared me. Last night they even tried charging at us, so. But right now they're currently tied. But there's like 30 cows, like right here. That's all like for dairy. There's some calves and stuff. There's that. If you look behind me, like right over my shoulder, we also have some goats. My dad does want to get more animals. Yeah, he wants to get like peacocks, deer, all that. He wants to keep all those. He loves animals. We have some macaws back home, some African Great Congos. My dad just loves animals. So right now we're looking at our fields. We grow a lot of grass. We used to have like apple trees and pear trees. All these like big stacks, these are like grass for the cows to eat. Further down, we have like a little greenhouse with cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, mint, all sorts of other stuff, like vegetables for cooking. Living out here, a lot of the times you eat off the land, you live off the land. All right, another thing that we usually don't have to worry about is drinking water. We usually just, you know, go to the store, buy a bottle. You know, even in America, like tap water is relatively decent, but it's easy to find water, like bottled water. What people have to do is they usually walk. A lot of people don't have a car, so they usually just walk. It's like a 2-mile walk from where we're at just to get clean drinking water. It's still not really clean. It's from the ground. It's from a natural spring. We have the luxury of a car, and we can just drive there, fill up the water, and bring it back. The people here live off the land. A lot of people don't have the luxury to eat meat every day. They eat spinach, they eat, you know, stuff that they can just grow and pick and eat themselves. It may not seem expensive to us coming from across America, but like people over here, they don't have that much money to spend on luxury items. It's really humbling being out here. But yeah, that's just the start of our day, you know. I just wanted to show you guys around our village.
X mode, you know?
We're coming back down from the top of the mountain where I just recorded the last clip. And we've stopped on the side of the road. It's hard to show around right now. It's so dark out here. But we're about to cook some food on the side of the road in the middle of a jungle.
This is what you call vibes, bro. These vibes, man. These the vibes. What y'all know about the vibes, baby? Man, this fire feels amazing. It's a pretty chilly night, you know, 7,800 feet up the mountain. Chicken biryani, you know, getting cooked up. Got the steaks being cooked right there. He's staking them. He's cooking them. Yes, sir. We started the whole barbecue thing at like 7:30. It's currently 11 p.m. and the biryani is we just finished the biryani right now. So we're about to eat and head home.